Hey, what's up everybody? This is Dr. Hunter Merriman with Next Level Chiropractic, and lying next to me is my wonderful wife and office manager, Jamie. And today we wanted to talk to you about the chiropractic adjustment for neck pain, as well as give you a demonstration. Now, each adjustment in this office is based on specific findings found during your examination. We do not pop and pray here, meaning the objective is to not spin your head based on random assumptions until it makes a noise and then just see what happens. We don't do that. Every adjustment has a specific purpose and intent, and that is to reestablish motion in the areas of the spine that we found to be stuck, or realign the areas of the spine that we found to be misaligned. Now, the adjustment also does some other cool things. It reduces muscle spasm. It increases your range of motion. It releases feel-good chemicals called endorphins that you've heard about. And certain receptors along the spine, when stimulated, can also literally block pain signals in the brain. And some really cool stuff came out recently, published in some scientific literature, showing that the adjustment actually affects the sensory motor integration in the prefrontal cortex. What does that even mean? That means by correcting areas of the spine that are dysfunctional, your brain literally operates the spine better. Now, how do we find these areas? We find them using our digital X-ray process, as well as the palpation of my hands. Now, when you feel as many spines as I do every day, you develop advanced sensory functioning in the tips of your fingers, much like a blind person that can read Braille, except for I'm not reading Braille. I'm feeling for things like tension, muscle spasm, restrictions in the joints, misalignments in the spine, things like that. So let's go ahead and demonstrate an adjustment for you right now. It's a very comfortable process, very safe. Beautiful. That was fantastic. Now, if you heard any of those pops or cracks during that adjustment, what that is a phenomenon known as tribonucleation. During the adjustment, we release a lot of built-up negative pressure in that joint, and all the free-floating gases in that joint form a bubble and go. Your bone's not actually breaking. Anyway, that's all we have for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.